Hi, my name is Naim.
My name is Haris.
My name is Razi.
My name is Irfan Aksha.
Rawang Integrated Boarding School, or better known as Pintar, is a full boarding school type school located in Bandar Pasir Puteri, Rawang, Selangor Darul Ehsan. Pintar is one of the full boarding schools that implement the Tatang model UALBAC program. The problem statement. Many recyclable or reusable plastic bottles and cardboard boxes are disposed every day. As students, we wear shoes every day we go to school. This makes our shoes smell from our sweaty feet. Shoes, after being washed and cleaned, will take a long time to dry. This causes our shoes to be too damp and musty to be worn, especially if the shoes are frequently used. The solution proposal is
Build an enclosed shoe drying box with fans applied at the lid of the box to accelerate the drying process. Two tubes will also be inserted at the shoe's mouth to dry the inner shoe part. Anhydrous calcium chloride will be put in a plastic bottle cut in half to absorb humidity inside the box during evaporation of water from the shoe's place. To remove the musty smell, an air purifier that will filter out any unpleasant smell from the shoes is applied at the bottom of the box. As for the overall cost, it should be around 47 ringgit. Here is the sketch of the product. And this is our marketing target of our product. We should be able to attract as many customers as possible, and we are planning to sell as many units as possible by September.